There are some major type of symptoms on erectile dysfunctions are this: difficult achieving an erection, the inability to get or maintain an erection from enough for sexual activity is the primary symptom of erectile dysfunction. Reduced sexual desires. Some men with erectile dysfunction may experience a decreased level of interest in sex, and there is a decrease in libido as well. Due to the performance anxiety or frustrations, these symptoms may develop in erectile dysfunction. Premature ejaculation or delayed ejaculation is the main symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunctions can sometimes coexist with ejaculation disorders, leading to further sexual frustration. Second number is emotional distress. Feeling of embarrassment or frustration related to sexual performances can affect men's self-esteem and mental well-being.